As part of a campaign known as SentinelSneak, security researchers have found a new malicious package on the Python Package Index (PyPI) repository that impersonates a software development kit (SDK) for SentinelOne, a significant cybersecurity firm. According to reports, the software, known as SentinelOne and since removed, was released between December 8 and December 11, 2022, with roughly 24 versions being sent out quickly one after the other over the course of 2 days. It makes the claim that it provides a simpler way to access the company's APIs, but it really contains a malicious backdoor that is designed to gather private data from development systems, such as configuration information, SSH keys, and access credentials. SentinelOne SDK and SentinelOne SDK are two further packages that the threat actor has been seen distributing, emphasizing the ongoing dangers present in open source repositories. According to a report shared with Information Security and Focus News by Reversing Labs threat researcher Carlo Zanchi, the SentinelOne imposter package is just the latest threat to leverage the PyPI repository and underscores the growing threat to software supply chains, as malicious actors use strategies like typo squatting to exploit developer confusion and push malicious code into development pipelines and legitimate applications. The bogus package stands out because it imitates a real SDK SentinelOne provides to its clients, possibly misleading developers into installing the module from PyPI. The SDK client code may have likely been stolen from the firm by way of a valid customer account, according to the Software Supply Chain Security Organization. Shell command execution history, SSH keys, and other relevant files are some of the data that the virus exfiltrated to a remote server. This suggests that the threat actor was trying to steal sensitive material from development environments. Although the package had been downloaded more than 1,000 times before it was taken down, it is unclear at this point if it was weaponized as part of an ongoing supply chain attack. The findings coincide with Reversing Labs' State of Software Supply Chain Security study, which indicated that in 2022, the number of malicious package submissions to the PyPI repository decreased by over 60%, from 3,685 to 1,493 items. The largest playground for malicious actors, on the other hand, experienced a 40% surge to over 7,000 in the NPM JavaScript repository. Overall, since 2020, rogue package trends have increased by 100 times in NPM and by more than 18,000% in PyPI. This campaign serves as a warning to development companies of the continuation of software supply chain dangers, despite its limited extent and minimal impact, according to Zanchi. This harmful campaign, like earlier ones, uses tried and true social engineering techniques to trick developers into installing a malicious module.